This is the classic game Breakout. An OpenClaw session wrote it, running on a virtual machine in my Oracle Cloud account. It starts with one prompt: build Breakout as a single HTML file and verify it before you stop. 3 tool calls later, it hands back a URL. Apache on the same machine is already serving it. OpenClaw is configured with 4 models. OpenAI's open-weight model, Grok, and 2 Llamas, served straight out of the OCI Generative AI service. Everything you just saw runs on one compute instance: a desktop, an agent, a proxy, and Oracle's models behind them. You reach it over RDP. It's a full Linux desktop, Chrome, VS Code, a terminal, not a chat window in a browser tab. OpenClaw runs as a service on that same machine. You drive it from Chrome on the desktop, there's nothing listening on the public internet. It talks to LiteLLM, one OpenAI-compatible API that forwards to Oracle. That is why OpenClaw needs no Oracle-specific code. Behind that is the OCI Generative AI service, on demand, billed per token. No dedicated AI cluster to stand up and pay for. Everything is on GitHub, public, and ready to clone. Nothing gets built until a pre-flight script checks your tools, your login, and that all 4 models are available. Then run the apply script. Terraform builds the network. Packer bakes an image with the desktop, Chrome, VS Code, the cloud CLIs, and OpenClaw itself. Then Terraform launches the instance from it. About 20 minutes, start to finish. The validate script hands back the address, the password, and the URL for the agent. Start with what Packer left behind: a custom image built on Canonical's Ubuntu 24.04, with the whole desktop already inside it. The network is one VCN with an internet gateway and a route table pointing at it, and one public subnet inside it where our VM is deployed. One instance running. No GPU, no special shape, the agent is just a process on an ordinary VM. End service user with a real API key. LiteLLM's Oracle provider cannot use an instance principal, so the proxy gets a credential of its own. Take the address and the password validate handed you and connect with any RDP client. That's the desktop. Chrome, VS Code, only Office, a file manager, and a terminal, all baked into the image with Packer. OpenClaw is already running. Open it in Chrome and it's ready to go. Now ask it something about the machine it's running on. It reaches for the OCI CLI and authenticates as the instance itself. No key, no config file, nothing I had to hand it. And it comes back with the answer. Every instance in the compartment, and the only one still running is the box it's sitting on. The repo is linked below. Clone it, run one script, and the whole thing comes up in your own account. And when you're done, the destroy script takes everything down. Nothing left running.